in the early 90s. They were trying to decide what the safe exposure limits were for human beings. And so what did they do? They got some rats and they exposed them to intense RF to the point that it actually did result in thermal heating. And at the level at which the rats quit eating, they thought, okay, that's the threshold. Then they imposed this arbitrary 50% reduction and it said, this is the level at which it is safe for humans. Well, fast forward, after a lot of public and congressional demand, the FCC reopened its proceedings in 2013 to see whether its thermal-only exposure guidelines were truly safe for humans. After millions of comments, lots of people, and just tons of evidence that, no, it's not just heating that causes adverse effects. There's also simply a biological response to RF. The FDA commissioned the National Toxicology Program to conduct yet another rodent study. NTP studied for a very long time, and after lots of controversy, they released their findings in 2019. They found clear evidence of an association with malignant heart tumors, some evidence of an association with malignant brain tumors and adrenal gland tumors, significant increases in DNA damage in the brain's frontal cortex, hippocampus, and in blood cells. So NTP handed its study back to the FDA, and the FDA said, that's a rodent study. We can't extrapolate to humans. NTP, however, promised to try again. Well, recently the NTP announced that it was dropping its follow-on studies because it was too complicated.